With reseller hosting, you have a multitude of tools available to assist with managing your customers. One such tool is the ability to suspend or disable packages as needed. In order to disable a package, navigate to Manage Hosting from the My20i control panel. Then, find the package you wish to disable and select Options and Disable. Please note, disabling a package can take up to 30 minutes on the system side. Re-enabling a disabled package is just as simple. From the Manage Hosting page, simply find the disabled package you wish to re-enable and select Options, then Enable. As before, this can take up to 30 minutes to process on the system.